Today is Sunday and I am currently on my way to a hair appointment at my sister's salon. I have braids, right? And you don't have to wash these like every day or whatever. You don't have to wash them even weekly. But I've had them in since like beginning of school. I've washed it myself, but it's like buildup, right, of like products and gel and like dirt and stuff. But like I don't feel like I can get that whenever I wash it. So I'm just gonna go in and get a wash. I was told to bring some things. I have my shampoo. This is the shampoo I use. It feels so cooling on my skin. It feels so good. And then I have this oil. This is an African oil. It's the only one that doesn't, I feel like, give like excessive buildup in my hair. And then I also have this one. This one causes a bit of buildup. Oh, and I had to bring this so that she can dry my hair properly. So yeah, I'm gonna head out right now. It's like a 20 or so minute drive. It didn't take me too long to get there. I have a long day ahead of me today, but we're gonna get everything done. Okay, I'm here, but I'm currently putting lotion on. Like, it's cold wind outside, so I'm currently extremely dry. Even my skin, like if you guys look at my skin, even my skin is dry. But I'm here and I'm really excited to get my hair washed, guys. I feel like my hair is so dirty right now. And that always happens whenever I get braids. At some point it gets really like, just gross. Just absolutely disgusting. So we're gonna fix that today. Kinda gray. My sister texted me.
Come inside, silly.
I know, she's looking at me.
Do you want to reply?
No.
All right.
Well, let's go inside. I'm putting on my shoes. I can't drive with shoes on, guys. That's so embarrassing. I'm back in the car. My hair is washed. I'm so excited and so glad and relieved that my hair is clean now. But I am going to head back home and I have a full day of studying and homework to do. Lots of things to do when I get home. I will see you guys when I get there. I'm gonna stop recording whenever this falls. So whenever my phone falls, that's when I stop recording. Okay. And we're off. Okay, I have a feeling my phone is gonna fall here because I have to dart across the road. Okay, I'm finally back home. I have so many things to do today, but I'm low-key overwhelmed. My room has been an absolutely freezing just dungeon, and it's not clean. Like, I haven't had any time to clean. Like, genuinely no time. I literally went out of state yesterday with my family. But my hair is clean. It feels so nice. But I'm gonna put a blow dryer on it to finish drying it. So to prevent any dandruff or anything like that, I'm gonna dry it. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It just looks like this. Like, it's just like, I can't stand it. Like it's angering me. How am I supposed to work on this? Like, how? I'm gonna quickly organize my clothing situation and then try to study. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see me. Everything is separated, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some stuff in the wash. So many clothes to save, so many things to study, but let's get it done. We have to get it done. I only have today. I only have today. Okay. Okay, I made my bed and I lint rolled it. Ignore my clothes, but I also cleaned off my desk or just organized it. Because now I have to go ahead and start studying. It's like 1 something right now. I have an exam on Monday and Tuesday, so I really just have to grind. Like I have to grind. I have very simple habits whenever it comes to studying, but right now I just have some drinks set up. I usually like to have a little drink or a little gum candy snack. I'm going to be doing pre-calculus, so I have my calculator, I have wrapping paper. This is my review notes from the last exam. These are erased because I kept doing them wrong, but I figured it out. I redid everything. I ended up redoing the entire review again, but I did really well on that exam. I literally almost got 100, so I don't have as much hope for this exam as I did for the first one, just because I don't have that much time to study compared to the last one. And the day that we were reviewing, I was literally completing an assignment for another class. A little bit of micromanagement, which I absolutely hate. I absolutely hate micromanaging. Like, I feel like it's so pointless. I feel like it's so such a disadvantage. Like, it's so disadvantaging. What's most important is getting everything turned in that's due. Wrote a really quick to-do list of just stuff that I need to get done. This list looks really short, but each of these things are so time-consuming. So I need to review for biology, but I don't have an actual review, so I have to sit there and actually learn each aspect of the chapters of the material. I have to do 6 units of like 20 questions of homework by tomorrow at 10, which interesting. Reading my sources for my research projects, I just have to read them because I need to know what I'm talking about whenever I write. It's 1:51. I'm gonna start working at 2 o'clock, but I'm gonna take a break right now because I have been moving all day. So looks like I'm gonna be a caffeine girly for the next 2 days. So I finally finished 1 unit of homework. So productive. I finished that in 30 minutes. Not bad, but still taking forever. I'm starving. It's 2:36 right now, and I'm gonna go get food with my sister because my stomach is growling. And okay, I just got a power roll from Taco Bell, my usual, and I'm gonna take a quick break to eat because my stomach is growling and I cannot focus. It's 3:06. I'm gonna start working again at 2:30. Really hungry. I've been trying to be productive, but I feel like I still haven't done much today. But like, effort is being made, and that's what's important. Okay, so my mom actually just made me waffles, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat dinner right now. You guys know what the girl dinner trend is? This is literally such girl dinner. We have 2 waffles, container of peanut butter and maple syrup combined because that's the best combo, half a bag of Takis, and a bag of cookies. Besides homework, eventually I'm gonna have to fold my clothes. They're all just, I've just been putting them on my bed. I don't know when I'm gonna get to do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat right now though. Don't judge how I eat my waffles, bro. I'm officially getting ready for bed. I finally feel like I have gotten to a good stopping point with my homework. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready for bed, but first I need to save my laundry because I 100% need clothes to wear tomorrow. Like my basics need to be back in their place. I have all my laundry on the bed and I'm gonna start putting it away. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos by me. I hope you enjoyed today's kind of like study vlog video. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like these, let me know down below. If there's any other college oriented or daily video you want to see, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.